Hi there, welcome to today's few quick tips on how to photograph your garden supplies. So, to start off with, using a model, someone like this, adds a nice bit of emotion into the images, really attracting the eye, really getting people to look at your stuff over the competition. Orange pairs really well with purple, so if you match these two colours up like that for a product shot, that's really going to work nicely. Also, using in-use shots shows people what they're going to get out of using the item. Obviously, they already know that, but sort of showing it in action, is really compelling. It draws the eye in, and it shows the practical use. So, that's really good for selling these items. As I say in this one, it's good for showing the results you want. Now, moving on to ones like this, these are great for ads because you're showing a collection of what's on offer. And this one here, again, you're seeing the results you get from that collection. And then something like this would make for a good product shop, and something like Etsy. It hasn't got the white background like you see in most sites, but it's really creative and inventive. So yeah, that's it for today. That's all you need. Thanks, like and subscribe. Cheers.